There you go, guys. There's your membrane. And a quick share on our windows, how we flash in and seal off our windows. The first thing we do is set our framing so we allow for insulation on either side. Actually, all the way around. The detail gets, so this ain't bridging the cold. So what happens is we frame it, liquid membrane first, sealed down, wrapped over, and then the window gets sealed all the way around. And then later on, we just did this, the peel and stick comes over and jumps over the lead, and that counter flashes. That way everything drains down. This allows for 2 inches of insulation all the way around.